Can a budget tyre from China match the excellence of a European tyre icon? Today we pit the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5, a premium tyre celebrated for its top-tier performance, against the Leao Winter Defender UHP, a budget-friendly challenger from China's Linglong. Will this better redefine what budget tyres can achieve, or premium engineering maintain its dominance? Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 set as the reference point at 100%. We'll start with wet performance, a critical factor where stopping power can mean the difference between safety and disaster. In wet braking, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 stops a remarkable 7.33 meters shorter than the Leao, a critical safety advantage in emergencies. On a wet handling course, Michelin finishes over 8.5 seconds faster, showing sharper control and grip. Even in aquaplaning resistance, Michelin maintains a higher slipping speed by 2.55 km per hour, providing greater stability in waterlogged conditions. Next up, snow performance, where winter tyres truly prove their worth. On snow, Michelin stops 1.0 meters shorter, which could be a difference between a close call and a collision. It also accelerates from 5 to 40 km per hour, 0.41 seconds quicker than Leao, offering better traction and responsiveness. On a snow handling course, Michelin outpaces the Leao by nearly 6 seconds, providing its superiority in stability and control. In dry braking, Michelin stops 4.14 meters shorter, delivering quicker response in emergency. And on a dry handling course, it completes the lap 2.43 seconds faster than Leao, providing superior grip and agility. Comfort and rolling resistance play a huge role in everyday driving. The Michelin scores a perfect 10 for comfort, offering a quieter and smoother ride. The Leao trails slightly, scoring 0.5 points lower. However, when it comes to rolling resistance, the budget Leao pulls ahead, showing slightly better efficiency with a coefficient value of 0.05, a small but notable win for fuel-conscious drivers. Now when it comes to price, the Michelin is positioned at a premium tyre, priced significantly higher than Leao. For the price of one Michelin, you could almost get 2.5 budget tyres. But does saving over half the cost justify the trade-off in performance? Here's my verdict. The Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 is the clear leader in safety and performance, especially in wet and snow conditions. Its shorter braking distances, 7.3 meters on wet and 1.08 meters on snow, and faster lap times highlight its premium engineering. If you prioritize safety and control, the Michelin is worth the investment.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.